How to form an LLC in Rhode Island. When starting a new company, choosing a business entity is one of the most important decisions that you make. For most businesses with more than one founding member, forming an LLC is often the best option. Before we begin, let's quickly define what an LLC is. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company and is an uncomplicated business structure that gives business owners legal protection by separating personal assets from business debts. However, creating an LLC can get complicated depending on where you're based, as the process differs from state to state. To avoid any missteps, follow along as we show you how to form an LLC in Rhode Island. The first step in forming an LLC is to select a name. Rhode Island has two key naming guidelines. 1. Your name must be unique and differ from the business entities on file with the Rhode Island Department of State. 2. Your name must include one of the following words or abbreviations: Limited Liability Company or LLC. Abbreviations can be either upper or lowercase. After choosing your name, you can reserve it with the Rhode Island Department of State. To do this, first, use the Rhode Island Department of State Business Entity Search tool to ensure your chosen name is available. 2. File a Reservation of Name form with the Department of State's Corporations Division online or by mail to reserve a name for up to 120 days. Note there is a fee. Check the description below for more details. Step 2. Designate a resident agent. Like most U.S. states, forming an LLC in Rhode Island requires appointing a resident agent, also known as registered agent. A resident agent is an individual or a company that acts as your official point of contact in the state to receive legal documents, service of process, and other official communications from the state. It is their job to forward these documents and communications to your LLC in a timely manner. A resident agent also helps save time mailing documents and keeps your address and other personal information private. Your resident agent must meet the following requirements. 1. Must be a state resident or business entity with a street address in Rhode Island. 2. Have a business office in Rhode Island if located out of state. Check out the description below for recommended resident agent services to guide you through this process. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. Next, file your Articles of Organization with the Department of State. Doing this formally establishes your LLC. Your Rhode Island LLC's Articles of Organization must include the following details: LLC's name and office address, resident agent name and address, whether the LLC is member managed or manager managed, the effective date of the articles, LLC's preferred treatment for tax purposes, an authorized person's signature. The filing can be completed online or through the mail. Note that there is a fee. Check the description below for more details. Next is to create an operating agreement. An operating agreement will describe your business structure, establish the individual responsibilities and obligations of the LLC members, detail how your LLC will be run. Although Rhode Island doesn't require one, an operating agreement clarifies the specific duties of its members, which may help your LLC avoid significant legal and operational difficulties. Step 5. Get an EIN. Before your company is ready to start doing business, you must obtain an IRS Employer Identification Number, EIN, by applying on the IRS website. The 9-digit EIN is like a social security number for a business and is necessary for things like paying income tax, filing tax returns, opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN on the IRS website. Finally, make sure to complete all additional legal requirements. File an annual report. All Rhode Island LLCs must file an annual report with the Department of State between September 1 and November 1. The first report is due the year after the LLC files its Articles of Organization. The annual report can be filed online or through the mail. File taxes. All Rhode Island LLCs are required to register with the Rhode Island Division of Taxation. You can start the state tax registration process by filling in a form online, although extra paperwork may need to be submitted through the mail. Additional licenses. Certain LLCs may be required to obtain additional licenses, permits, or certifications depending on the nature of their business and location. RI.gov provides licensing, regulations, permits, and forms information that can help determine which licenses and permits are needed for your LLC. For information on local licensing regulations, consult a city clerk in the city or county where your LLC is based. So, to sum it up, how to form an LLC in Rhode Island. 1. Select a name. 2. Designate a resident agent. 3. File your Articles of Organization. 4. Create an operating agreement. 5. Obtain an employer identification number. 6. Fulfill your legal obligations, particularly those relating to submitting annual reports, registering for state taxes, and applying for any additional licenses you may need. By completing these steps, you can form an LLC in Rhode Island. All the websites mentioned earlier are located in the description below, as well as a link to a guide. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos answering your questions to all things LLC.